If you want to power off your Samsung Galaxy A27 but you forgot the screen lock password, then here's what you can do. So first of all, we need to use a computer and a USB cable. We will have to go to the recovery mode, and the computer and USB cable is required to do that. We need to connect our phone to our computer with the USB cable, just like that. And the next thing that we need to do is we need to perform force restart, and then go to the recovery mode. So what we need to do is, first, we're gonna press and hold power and volume down button, and we need to hold both of these buttons at the same time until the screen shuts down. Once that happens, you want to switch to the power and volume up buttons. You want to hold both of them until you go to the recovery mode. So let's begin. I'm gonna press power and volume down first, and just keep holding until the screen turns off. There we go. Now we're gonna switch to the power and volume up. And we need to hold both of these buttons at the same time until we go to the recovery mode. Now, unfortunately, it seems that it takes a bit of time for Samsung Galaxy A27 to actually restart like that when we do the force restart. But that is fine, we just have to patiently wait and keep holding until we see the recovery mode. So there we go, we have the Samsung logo finally, and we still need to hold both of these buttons. And now we are in the recovery mode. Now in here, we navigate by using volume buttons, so make sure that power off is selected. And then we can press the power button to confirm, but before we do that, it is recommended to actually unplug the cable. There we go, so once we do that, just confirm and choose power off. And the phone is going to shut down just like that. Now, in case the next time you try to turn on the phone and the recovery mode still enables, it goes back to the recovery mode, but then you will have to restart your phone by choosing the reboot system now. So let me turn on the phone and let's see if that is actually the case. Most likely it is. Yeah, there we go. So if you go back to the recovery mode, just choose reboot system now and press power button. Your phone is going to restart and it's going to go back to the normal mode. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.